Check in, peeps. Yeah, my people. I mash up this in the evening. Got some flour and cornmeal on the pot. Some ripe plant and some yam. Some cabbage. So we'll put this thing together and get it rolling. Welcome back to the kitchen without no roof, no window and door. One burner setting, my people. I don't know. I burner mash up, you know. So one burner. So catch me, cook some food. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys. So right here, so now we got the water up on the fire, blaze up in the night here. Darkness will come down with people. But food have to eat, you know what the thing go? Yes man, yes no man. Alright, so we have some water here now. Yes, so I get this yam peel up. And the water boil. Flour already need already. Inside there. Yeah man, the flour set. As soon as the flour set, chop it in the boiling water. So we get the yam peel up. Make the yam boil. So we got some cabbage, so we have some food we are dealing with. You know what you think go? Stick and stay here, watch you go and like up a video. Subscribe, leave a comment. You know what you think go, my people. Give thanks for your support, you see? Yes, no guys. So we're out here in an unfinished kitchen and deal with something proper, real weird. Yeah. No other way. Yeah, that is it. Stay tuned. So I go on the kitchen set up. Yeah man, makeshift, everything I makeshift, you know. Set up a real way. Kitchen without window and roof. Yeah man, support the channel. Yes the people, so in the meantime I get this yam peel up. Nice piece of yellow yam. Go in the pot. People, when you peel the yam, don't touch it and touch your skin, you might scratch it. Jamaican yam scratch. You got the yellow yam fully peel up. Wash off. Turn on about the stove. Okay my people, flour is fully knead up now. Alright, the yam bubble up. Alright my peeps, knead up some flour now, dropping at the pot. Yes man, some real cornmeal dumpling. Check out, see what I go on there. Watch out go. Roll it up like this. Yeah. You know the pot. Yes people, I have guests tonight, so if I need a little more flour, cook a little more flour for me and my guests, okay? Yeah, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Can drop in anytime. Food are always there and cook. So get it roll up, people. Watch your God. In the pot. You guys, look at that. All of the flour in the pot are bubble. Yeah, plant already gone in the pot. Cabbage. Put it up. The pot keep on a boil over. Look at that. Boil right there, so. Yeah. Yes people, something here again, you know. Get some food cooking. It's gonna be yummy delicious. Food smelling so good. Whole heap of dumpling in a pot and look at that. Now we just steam down guys. To catch more in that go down. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to share up the video with the family and friends. Okay. Yeah my people. Boy, yeah man, looking at the pot nice. Same speed over here, so we got some cornmeal dumpling. Look at that. Really weird. We need some boil yam and plantain. So we are dealing with it tonight. Not afraid for sure no I'm going to pot in my people because I'm not people, you see. Now I'm real people, you know? Yeah. Man, don't hesitate to support the channel. Yeah, as you can see in the background, kitchen without roof. Okay. Full of steam down. Flour chill out over there, so. Yes, so I tell you, in the kitchen hot. No people give it over the roof in the kitchen, man. Take off my shirt and go and cool out a little bit. So, stay tuned, watch on where I eat some food. So, I forget one look light there, you know. You see what I go on in the pot, you know, because I don't think I go on it. So, I can't be stove right now. See my right down. I'll share out some food right now. Yeah, share out the next plate for the guests. Stay tuned for that. When I share, show you how I go on. Kitchen without roof, kitchen without window. Out here I cook some food. Food fully share out now. Yeah, beautiful. One for me and one for my guests. 2 plates of food. Yes. See my how it look now, guys. Yeah, leave a comment how it look if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Okay, my peeps. So catch me and mash up some food, you know. Yes, my people. Look at that. So I'm going to indulge you now. Got it. People, hot pepper. Done. Okay, my people. Food finish, you know. Sleeps. Final finish. Cold drink, you know. But first, I forget these things clean up. That is it. Thanks for watching, my people. Like and share the video. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Subscribe. Also leave a comment. Peace. I'm out.